My name is Brittany King, designer for Threadora Gowns. Do you constantly compare your skills to others and get discouraged? Maybe you look at these amazing gowns and wonder how they're sewn. Maybe you always tell yourself, I could never make something like that. I know your struggle all too well. As a young designer, fresh out of design school, I found it incredibly difficult to establish myself as an expert. I had to do it the hard way and build my skill while designing directly for clients. This came with immense pressure, and I made a lot of mistakes in the beginning. Imagine if you could focus on technique without worrying about fit. Save money on materials. Save on something much more valuable, which is your time. Have every construction step detailed for you in video form. Learn valuable self-critique and problem-solving skills first before having to sew for others. That's why I created Threadora and half-scale patterns. It's my proven method to get you past those initial trial and error mishaps, getting you practicing and honing your skill so you can sew better and love what you sew. In the Prima Ballerina Half-Scale Sewing course, you will be making a true-to-scale miniature dress so that you can learn the construction process of a gown just like this. Some of the techniques include underlining and interlining, a seamless lace bodice, corset with eyelets, princess seams and boning, gathered tulle tutu skirt, invisible zipper, horsehair braid and attached lining. Skill levels of all types will learn something new from sewing the Prima Ballerina. Inside the course is a printable PDF pattern, a material list and fabric layout guide. Recommended sewing tools and notions are in the description below. Remember, every small step leads to some progress. All you have to do is start. Thanks for joining me, and let's get sewing.